If I'm generous, I'm just under 6 feet tall. That gives you an idea of how big this tree is, blown over by last night's wind and collapsing on that van as the cleanup in Southwest PA continues today.
But I said, what the heck was that?
Maxine Claybrook was sleeping on her North Mertland Street home in Point Breeze when, around 3 a.m.,
It was really amazing, the sound of it. And you could hear like a hum. You know what I mean?
that hum was the wind, so strong it toppled these 3 tree trunks that shared one root and fell in different directions, hitting this van. The hum this morning, chainsaws, as Pittsburgh Public Works crews began the cleanup.
Unbelievable. That's all I can say. I mean, I don't want to see anybody's property damaged, but if one of those trees had hit one of these houses over here, there could have been some serious injuries.
Tim Fisher works nearby and lives in Delmont, Westmoreland County.
We had wind out there, garbage cans were everywhere. All the neighbors' trash in everybody's yards.
And when he got to work, he realized he was a victim too. His business lost power.
You wonder, hey, must have been pretty strong winds, huh?
Those storms kept public safety and power crews busy all night. This tree also blew over on Butler Street in Morningside. Customers there among thousands of scattered outages this morning all across the area. In Squirrel Hill North, this tree stood, but one of its big branches snapped, blocking Forbes Avenue for a few hours overnight. And back here in Point Breeze, as a result of all these trees falling, believe it or not, no one in this area lost power.